This is one of the longest living animals on the planet. This is the Aldabra giant tortoise, and they're found nowhere else in the world but right here in the Seychelles Islands and the Aldabra Atoll, which is just off the coast of Africa. These remarkable creatures can live for up to 200 years. Males can grow to up to 250 kilos or 550 pounds, and females can grow up to 160 kilos or about 350 pounds. Now, the sheer size of these tortoises is the perfect example of the biological phenomenon known as island gigantism, where herbivorous species like these tortoises grow to these massive sizes because there's no natural predators on the islands. Aldabra giant tortoises are herbivores, eating grasses, leaves, as well as fruits that fall from the trees. And they play a role very similar to that of elephants in their habitat, where they're actually pushed through the jungle and the rainforest, clearing pathways that can then be used by other animals. In the early 1800s, these amazing animals were nearly hunted to extinction as European sailors came through the islands and brought these tortoises onto their ships to use as a source of food. Sadly, these tortoises are now extinct on many of the surrounding islands. But thankfully, due to a really good conservation program here in the Seychelles, they've been breeding these tortoises in large numbers, raising the juveniles in little nurseries until they're about 4 or 5 years of age, and then releasing them back onto the islands. And today, there's really good numbers of these tortoises right through the Seychelles and the Aldabra Atoll.